Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this victory roll hair tutorial. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting, and then we're just going to take a comb and run it from the end of the parting to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And repeat this on the other side, so take your comb from the end of the parting to just above the ear and clip out of the way. Just gather the remaining hair and tie it out of the way into a low ponytail for now. Now, starting on one side of the head, we're going to section off a small piece of hair and then just use a curling tong to roll this towards the part line, so rolling it in towards the face. Holding for a few seconds and then releasing the curl. Take another small section of hair just below it and curl in the same way. And then just keep repeating that until you've curled all the hair on the right hand side. And then we're just going to repeat on the opposite side of the head, so release that hair and curl everything in towards the face in small sections. Take some texture powder and just add it to the roots of the hair in small sections. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And do this on both sides of the head. So we're going to start on the side that has the most hair, and we're going to take a small slice of hair, lift it straight up, and then we're just going to back comb all the way from the roots to the ends. And then once you're done, just move this out of the way for later. Continue taking small sections and back combing all of the hair. Gather all those back comb sections together and start smoothing out the outside layers of the hair. I'm using a boar bristle brush. Add some hairspray to tame any flyaways and carry on smoothing the outer layers of the hair. Next, we're going to take the ends of the hair and wrap them round a few fingers so they form a sort of tunnel shape. And then just taking that little shape, we're going to roll it down until it meets the head. Then we're just going to slip a bobby pin on the left and right hand side inside that little tunnel of hair we've just created. Add a bit more hairspray to keep everything looking neat. And we're going to repeat on the opposite side. So back comb all of the hair in small sections from root to tip. Smooth the outer layers with a boar bristle brush. And apply some hairspray to control any flyaways. Holding the hair in the middle, we're going to wrap the ends around a few fingers to create a barrel curl. And then we're just going to take hold of that curl and roll it all the way down until it meets the head, making sure that we push this close to the other victory roll. And again, secure with a couple of bobby pins. Apply a little more hairspray. So moving on to the back section, we're going to take a small slice of hair from behind the left ear and also from behind the right. Bring these together at the nape of the neck and secure them with a small clear elastic band. Now all we're going to do is take a small section of hair from the right hand side and pop our fingers behind that section we've just tied off and pull it through. And then just secure this to the head with a bobby pin so it doesn't slip about. And then just repeat this on the left hand side, so take a small slice of hair, pop your fingers behind pass it through and pull it around that section and secure with a bobby pin. And we're just going to do this one more time on the right and left hand side of the head. So take a small section of hair, pop your fingers through and pull it over that section and secure it to the head, and then repeat this again on the left hand side. Gather that remaining hair into a ponytail, and we're just going to pop a clear elastic band about halfway down, but on the last pull of that elastic band, don't pull the hair all the way through, only pull it part way through so you create a loop. Now all we're going to do is tuck that little loop of hair behind that section where we've wrapped the other hair, and then just secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. So here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.